Which is older, Hinduism or Zoroastrianism? If you're curious about the origins of two of the world's oldest religions, you're in the right place. Let's explore the histories of Hinduism and Zoroastrianism to find out which one came first. Hinduism is often described as one of the oldest religions in the world, but pinpointing its exact beginning is tricky. Some people believe Hinduism is at least 5,000 years old, based on ancient texts and archaeological findings. However, the term Hinduism itself was coined by Westerners in the modern era, specifically in the 19th century. The roots of Hinduism go back to the Vedic period, which started around 1900 BCE to 1400 BCE with the Indo-Aryan migrations into northern India. This period saw the introduction of the Vedic religion, which is a precursor to modern Hinduism. On the other hand, Zoroastrianism has its roots in ancient Iran. The founder, Zarathushtra or Zoroaster, is believed to have lived around 1300 BCE based on linguistic analysis of the oldest texts, the Gathas. However, the exact date of Zoroaster's life is not certain and can range from as early as 2000 BCE to as late as the 6th century BCE. Zoroastrianism as we know it today was formalized and institutionalized during the Achaemenid Empire, which began in the mid-6th century BCE. When comparing the two, we see that both religions have ancient origins. However, if we look at the earliest recorded evidence and the periods when these religions began to take shape, Zoroastrianism might have a slight edge. Zoroaster's reforms of the ancient Iranian religion, which led to Zoroastrianism, are dated to around 1300 BCE, while the Vedic period of Hinduism, which is its earliest form, started between 1900 BCE and 1400 BCE. But here's the key point. The Vedic period is indeed older than the time when Zoroaster lived, but the organized form of Hinduism as we understand it today developed later. In contrast, Zoroastrianism's core teachings were established during Zoroaster's lifetime, making it potentially the older of the two in terms of a unified religious system. So, while both religions have deep roots, Zoroastrianism's organized form might be considered older based on the available historical evidence. However, it's important to remember that both religions have evolved over thousands of years, and their current forms are the result of many influences and changes.